showing you what I eat in a day to maintain my weight loss from my 14-day fast that I did back in, ooh, was it October or September? I gotta actually look and see. I'm still maintaining my weight loss. Still only up at this time 4 pounds currently. I'm gonna show you all what I look like. So on the side, the front, the side, and the back. Still maintaining. The girl out here still maintaining. Now I have been not eating bad. It was the Thanksgiving just passed, so I was making like hot water cornbread and vegan, of course, vegan hot water cornbread, eating some baked spaghetti. So that might have did it. A pan of spaghetti. Just me and one other person eating on it. So I have been eating, I guess, bad, sorta. I have had some candy just yesterday. It's mints. They got sugar in it. So, yeah, that's about it. But, yeah, it's enough of that. It's back to regular schedule programming. I do have my hot tea. This is, okay. So now I know you can hear me and see me. I want to say I'm about to start breakfast. And my breakfast is really simple in the morning. I'm just gonna make a smoothie, and it's gonna be strawberry, mango, pineapples, and peaches. And let me show you how to make my smoothie to start my day. So let's get to that. So it's about 16 ounces. And yes, I use a foam cup because I don't feel like doing dishes. So yeah, that's what's given today. So boom. That's it. This is breakfast, guys. So cheers. Really good. Tastes really good. Depending on how hungry I am, I might make a chickpea scramble today. And if I do, I'll most certainly show you guys how to make that. Sometimes I'll just make the chickpea scramble for lunch. Because who said you only gotta make this stuff during the breakfast time? Not me, okay? And I will show you how I do that. I make my chickpea scramble, very simple. I either smash or put in the food processor some chickpeas, chop it up, put peppers and onions, a little bit of mushroom and sausage crumbles in it. And if I make that today, I will show you guys. If I'm still a little hungry after the 16-ounce smoothie, I might make another one. We'll have to wait and see. So, until next clip for lunch, or still at breakfast, it's currently 9 o'clock a.m. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Peace. Till next time. Hello, this is dinner. I'm just made some vegetable stock, so to speak, that I got here in this pot. It's about 16 ounces, or about a cup. I'm gonna put a half a cup of quinoa. Put some quinoa. I'm putting some vegan pepper steak and onions on top. I'll tell you, do it up in a skillet and put it over a bed of quinoa. And that's gonna be my dinner. And to make that, I just put a teaspoon of better than bouillon in the pot to make the little vegetable stock. So I will come back when I'm ready to saute the steak, onions, and peppers to put on top of it. Okay? Came to a boil. There's the quinoa I just dried. A little stir. Add some broccoli, frozen broccoli too. Add the broccoli. Faithful seasoned salt. Steak seasoning. Garlic powder. Got the garlic powder. And I don't know how much. Tell the ancestors say so. Plain powder. A little heavy on the onion garlic. Pepper. Pepper. And that's it all. Got some for that lemon pepper. Put a little zing in it, okay? This is never enough pepper. Stepper, okay? Come on, pepper stepper. You supposed to be in there. Okay, that's enough of that. We're gonna stir. The seasoning's in there. Then I'm gonna put this top on and kind of let it steam. The top. And because the broccoli and the vegan beyond is frozen, it's gonna produce the water. But to be on the safe side, I'm gonna put a little bit of spring water. And then it'll steam. I ain't gonna let y'all watch the whole way through because it's gonna take about 15 minutes to cook down. So I will turn y'all back on halfway through or maybe at the end. So I will see you in the next video clip. Everything looking. This is the pepper steak and onion with broccoli. This is the fluffy quinoa. And I'm about to plate it. Alright, that butter starts sticking. Anyway, then you put the peppers on top. That broccoli. Cover it up. Don't that look good? That look good. Put a little bit, like a little spice. I'm put a little jalapeno slices on mine. A few slices. Like a little spice. So a few. Hit them with the rest of this ivy. I got some more. Hold fast. Gotta put the avocado on top. No, we can't do nothing without the avocado slices. The other half. Pretty when I want to. I don't feel like it. So y'all don't have to look at that. Jalapeno spice pickled onions. I just put in the old jalapeno jar. Put a couple onions up in there. So now I'm gonna get a couple. Hold on. I laid on spicy onions on titty top. Okay, we're gonna put some pickled jalapeno spice onions that I put in this jar and see what that tastes like too. Make it a little more prettier. Hold on. And put the parsley flakes. Try to make something a little fancy. You know what I'm saying? You gotta add a little parsley to make it look fancy, and then put it all over the table as well. That's how you do that. So I got my pepper steak with broccoli. Chop. We're gonna just call it a pepper steak. Let me get a little bit of everything. So I got that spiced onion, that jalapeno, that steak mushroom, and quinoa, of course. Let's see how it tastes. Can't forget the ivy. Oh, that's it right now. Ooh, that tastes so good. So good. Yeah, this I got out the sewer here. I just wanted to do a little voiceover. Sorry that I didn't show the whole bowl. You know, my mouth was salivating. I was greedy and hungry. So I had to hurry up and shove this food up in my mouth because I like my food wet, piping hot. Okay, just like I like my tea. I like my food hot as hell. Okay, so forgive me for not showing the entire bowl. I was greedy and my mouth was watering. I couldn't wait to get this pepper steak up in my mouth. Okay, so yeah, y'all just gonna have to excuse me like that. Alright, bye. Now I'm in the shot. This bowl is good, y'all. That spiced onion was a really good idea. So good from my head to my toes. You got me singing here, y'all. So good. And I'm eating so good. Well, I cooked this for you, so if y'all want to make this for yourself, like a little healthier alternative for a meat replacement, you can start with my pepper, onion, steak. You can cube up some mushrooms, put a little bit, I'm talking 1/4 cup of Beyond steak in there. Chop up your red peppers, slice up your onions, and stir fry with some oil and a little bit of vegan butter. And you got your mix. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoying the new content. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you feeling the content with somebody you care, your friends and family. Oh yeah, follow me on TikTok, IG, and Facebook on igotitoutthesoil. And peace. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. So that's the first thing I do in the morning to maintain my weight. I drink a smoothie every day. My little ugly right. I love it. If you like spice, try the jalapeno spice onion. And I'm out. That's a wrap. Bye. That's a wrap.